This is my best t-shirt selling strategy that has helped me to sell hundreds of t-shirts, probably even thousands. And I'm gonna give it to you guys for the free 99. But there's a small catch. If you do it in the wrong time, it will hurt your business. So I will recommend to pay a lot of attention because it's those small details that make a huge difference. But don't worry, it is so easy that experienced and beginners can do it. And to make this video even more easier, I broke it down into 3 parts: the sales tactic, the execution, and the pros and the cons. So if you're new to our channel, I will recommend to stick around because you might learn something new. Come on. Businesses go up and down. There's a peak season and a slow season. And right now, we're walking into the slow season. And it's gonna get even more slower after Christmas. Like that slow. So it's important to be prepared for those type of moments. Come on, Milo, tell us the sale already. Relax. Patience is key. Let's talk about patience first. I'm just kidding. Let's get to work. First, you're gonna need the minimum equipment. It could be a simple heat press like this, or even better, a screen printing press. But the best option will be a commercial press like this one, because you will be able to work a lot faster. Note this, I have never said this to anyone, so please be very quick to listen and very slow to answer. And this is a t-shirt sale that has made me a lot of money. It's 50 t-shirts with a single color print and location for $500 plus free shipping. Let's break this down. The first thing you need to do is find a premium t-shirt that's around $4. I'm gonna help you out with this. There's Next Level 3600. This one's perfect for gym brands. There's also Hanes Beefy shirt. This one's great for streetwear brands. There's also Gildan Hammer, which is a beautiful heavyweight t-shirt. And there's a lot more like Bella's Canvas, Champions. Just try to find one that you think is gonna fit best your audience. Let's say that we stick with the Next Level 3600. So if we multiply 420 times 50, that's gonna be $210. Now if we subtract that from the 500, we're left with $290. Since we're also offering free shipping, standard shipping around the United States, it's around $30. And I know that prices change depending on where you're shipping, but that's just a standard. We subtract that from the $290 and we're left with $260. Now, this is where things get interesting. If you only have a heat press, then you're gonna need to order transfers, which is gonna take a lump sum of your profit. A rough estimate will be between $50 and $100. Everything depends on how big the design is. But if you screen print, which is the best option for this sale, your profits are gonna be a lot higher. Let me explain. A gallon of ink like this is around $80, which could print up to 1,000 t-shirts. That's 8 cents a print. But to be on the safe side, we're gonna say it's around 25 cents. So it's gonna be $12.50 to print 50 t-shirts, plus $1 of my transparency film, $1 of emotion, and we're just gonna round all that up to $20 for material. $20 for material. So we're left with $240. And let's just say you wanna include the light bill or something, we're gonna take those $40 away and we're gonna round everything off to $200 in profit. But we're still not done. Things get more interesting here because we could add extra stuff to the sale. For example, if a customer wants to add another print location to another part of the t-shirt, that's an extra $150. You could also include fold them, bag them, and tag them for an extra $50, custom neck tags for an extra $50, custom artwork between $50 and $100 an hour. You could also make 3 different packages from this sale. You can make a standard one, a premium, and a high-end. And all you gotta do is increase the t-shirts. And let me repeat the sale. It's 50 premium t-shirts with a single color print and location for $500. Small through extra large. If they want 2X, 3X, and 4X, that's extra. Plus free shipping. Now, let's do some simple math. If you want to make $2,000, all you have to do is close 10 sales. Seems pretty simple, right? It's only 10 sales. Well, it's not. Sales is the hardest thing, but don't worry. I'm gonna show you 2 effective ways to put that sale in front of thousands of people. First, you have to understand that if people don't know you, they won't trust you, which means that it's a high possibility of them not buying from you. So we need exposure, and a great way to create that is by making social media posts. Not just any social media post, something that's really attractive. Come on, let me take you to one of my favorite websites. It's called Kittl, and if you're new to this website, It's a platform that helps you create designs for pretty much anything. T-shirts, helps you create logos for sweaters, for bags, for hats, for mugs, wallpaper, cards, stickers. Oh, and I could keep going. But we're gonna go right here to Instagram post. And you could create a design from scratch, right? But I'm gonna grab a template that's already created and just kind of recreate it so it could fit my style. Okay, I think I found the one that I like. It's right here. All right, so we're gonna reconstruct this template. First thing, gotta eliminate this. Then we're gonna go up here and we're gonna change this to, we're gonna put premium t-shirts. This is gonna be right here, clickbait. So the beautiful thing about Kittl is that you don't have to get out the website. All you gotta do is go over here to images and you can find so many images. Let's put a white t-shirt. And you can just look for a bunch of white t-shirts here. You see? Okay. So we're gonna pick this one right here. Now, let me show you another awesome tool. You see how this kind of looks bad? Let's remove the background. Remove the background. Easy peasy. With only a click of a button, you're able to remove that background. So we got our first post done. Now, I just show you a simple way to create a post to get attraction. But if you want the best results, you will need to create a lot more. One specifically for emails. So you can send it to all your current customers with more information on the sale, just so you won't have a lot of repetitive questions. You will also need to create 4 to 5 posts for your Instagram stories, Facebook stories, just so you could keep reminding people of that sale. If you have a website, you could also create a nice catchy banner to give people reassurance of the sale. I did this one last year and it looks kind of crappy and needed an upgrade. Creating social media posts is a simple, professional tactic that gives that sale exposure. Now, if you guys want to go try Kittl for free, I'm gonna add the link in the bio just so you guys could get your feet wet. But just know that with the free version, you won't have access to all the tools. You will need to upgrade to the pro version or even the expert version like the one that I'm using. Here's another secret. Storytelling is a game changer, especially when you can bring it to life. Creating video content is a great way to express that. Let me show you. Did you know that you can make some extra cash selling t-shirts? Well, let me show you in 2 steps. First, you order 50 premium next level t-shirts from us at $10 a piece with a single color print and location. Second, you sell each t-shirt at 25 bucks a piece. And here's a quick math. 50 t-shirts times 25 bucks, it's a total of 1,250. Minus the money you invested, it's a total of 750 bucks profit. And this sale fits everybody. Clothing brands, fundraisers, businesses. Let us know more, send us a message. Have a beautiful day and God bless you all. I did this video last year and if you can notice, I'm very direct with the sale, but I'm also including value and a little bit of storytelling to make the video a bit more interesting. Now, I have a question for you guys. How many hours do you work a day? 8, 6, 4? What if I tell you that a video can work up to 100 hours a day? 100 hours of watch time. Which means that thousands of people are watching your video in one day. Pretty crazy, right? Now, combine your post with your video content. Boom! And I guarantee you that if you stay consistent, that sale will be in front of thousands of people. Anybody can do this sale because it's super easy. It's only a 1-color print. And if you're new to screen printing, it's a great way to master that. Now, just because anybody can do it doesn't mean that anybody should do it. This sale takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of your profit because you can easily charge for a project like this between $700 and $800. This is how I use the sale. There's been a lot of times in business where I have gone broke or where I gotta reach a certain goal. So I throw the sale because I'm not a big fan of credit cards. I actually don't like credit cards. So I use the sale to get me back on track. It's an extra tool that I have in my toolbox just to stay in business. It's not gonna make me rich, but it's not gonna let me go out of business. Listen, if you have a lot of work, a lot of orders, you don't need to use the sale. There's no reason to throw out the sale because it's gonna hurt your business. You're gonna charge less when you could charge more, if that makes any sense. Only use it when you have nothing. Overall, this sale is not just great to make money, but also to promote your business. So it has kept me in business. So that's exactly why I'm sharing it with you guys. Bonus tip, with the code MILOT, you guys will get a 25% discount on all Kittl plans. Go try it for free. Link's gonna be in the bio. Just so you guys can know if this is the website for you. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like it. See you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful day and God bless you all.